I have visual on their ship.
This is organized crime.
Mexican narco-traffickers call Totoaba the cocaine of the sea. The fishing of the Totoaba by Chinese traffickers and Mexican cartels is killing the vaquita. The vaquita is getting extinct.
There were 100, and then there were 60. And now there's fewer than 30.
Come on, sweetie. Come on, mama.
To stop the killing of the vaquita, we have to take down those traffickers. The whole thing stinks.
It is corruption all the way. Who is El Chapo of the Totoaba?
There's some really bad guys here. They don't want to see us succeed.
If we don't save the vaquita, we will lose the most beautiful places on the planet. I keep thinking about the moment when only one vaquita will be left in the wild. This is a war against the extinction of a species.
We have to hold on to the hope that it's going to work.
The poachers are unacceptable. They'll take any means necessary.
Clock's ticking.
We will fight for every single life. We won't stop.